The theme for this year's Resilience Forum, OECS Declaration on Health, an appropriate and sustainable model for healthcare in the ECCU OECS, an agile infrastructure, traditional medicine, and medicinal cannabis, clearly defines and supports our efforts as SIDS to ensure healthcare for all. The OECS member states have been working to develop a suitable and sustainable model of healthcare for the region. By signing the OECS Declaration on Health in 2017, member nations reaffirmed their commitment to regional solidarity in healthcare. The OECS Declaration on Health elaborates several commitments to the development and support of collaborative initiatives via current or new structures aimed at realizing health for all. This includes the sharing of specialized services and human resources in the health sector, broadening of the pool for purchasing of a wider range of medical supplies and services, and the creation and adoption of standard legal and policy frameworks for the health sector. In fact, just recently, we're looking at standardized legislation and processes for registration of health professionals across the OECS.